Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Lite, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, and now you might have a Gemini show up over this or before, and then this shows up. It just kind of happens sometimes randomly, so you might have one or the other. But if you have Gemini visible over your boot options, just click somewhere on a screen to get rid of the Gemini pop-up, and then select power off. And obviously if Gemini showed up first and then boot options, and just select power off without needing to click anywhere else on the screen. Anyway, once you turn off your device, then you can hold the power button and volume up at the same time. After a couple seconds, you should have the Honor logo show up on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And once the Honor logo disappears as well, let go of the volume up. As you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. So in here, you want to select clear data, and then you can select wipe cache partition. This will begin wiping cache, which only takes a couple seconds. As you can see, it's almost finished. There we go. So we're going to select back and then restart, and this will now boot us back into Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.